In this case, the notices were issued by my lords.
Huh?
Lords, the notices were issued by my lords. No, notices were already issued, my lord.
Already issued.
The only point is about quantum, my lords. Except what can be seen from the online status is that the driver is not served. We will not be claiming. We will not be claiming anything against the driver. It's only the quantum. The only point involved, my lords, is firstly, there's a 65 days of delay. The second is the application is there, my lords. The only point of quantum is that there were three major sons during the. Now, in the cross-examination of the claimant, it has already come that the first son was a forest guard. The other two major sons, what has come, my lords? I'll just read that. It's only on that point, my lords, that the PW1, that is, my lords,
उससे compensation में कैसे फर्क पड़ जाएगा?
सर बस एक सुप्रीम कोर्ट का 2020 का जजमेंट बस उसमें इतना बोला है, ऑल दीज रेलेवेंट फैक्टर्स शुड बी कंसिडर्ड कि मेजर सन को देना नहीं देना. इसमें क्या है,
मत दीजिए, पत्नी को तो मिलेगा
नहीं, वो सब डेड है सर. तीन मेजर सन है, वो कॉस्ट टाइटल में ही आ रहा है.
हाँ तो तीन मेजर सन होने दीजिए.
उसमें पहला फॉरेस्ट गार्ड है, वो उसने एडमिट किया क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन. उसके ब्रदर
ठीक है, मान लिए.
दो की खेती करते हैं और खेती किसानी उनकी है, ये एडमिट किया उन्होंने क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन में पैराग्राफ 6-7 में. सर तो सर मेरा सिर्फ उतनी रिक्वेस्ट है, पेंशन है 24,700 रुपए, उसको पूरा कंप्लीट लेके 2/3 करके मल्टीप्लाई 7 का लगा के अवार्ड किया है. माय ओनली लिमिटेड रिक्वेस्ट माय लॉर्ड्स इज दैट
230 किया है ना.
हाँ 230 किया है सर. माय ओनली लिमिटेड रिक्वेस्ट इज देयर वर two dependents as of even they were having their agricultural field, my lords, that is coming the cross examination.
अच्छा चलिए बताइएगा,
the first one
अभी इनको हटा दें, पत्नी तो है
नहीं है ना सर. सिर्फ तीन ये देखें सर, कॉस्ट टाइटल में कमला सानोडिया मृत, फिर सेकंड नंबर पे दुर्गेश, ये फॉरेस्ट गार्ड है, गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय. थर्ड और फोर्थ 35 और 32 साल के एग्रीकल्चरिस्ट है. जमीन भी आया है कि है, और 5 और 6 मृत है सर.
लीगल एयर्स तो है ना.
नहीं तो मैं आई वुड नॉट डिनाई दैट.
थर्ड डिडक्शन किया है ना ट्राइब्यूनल ने.
आई वुड ओनली रिक्वेस्ट माय लॉर्ड, देयर आर ओनली 2 डिपेंडेंट्स नाउ, दे विल आल्सो नॉट बी solely dependent on their father.
डिपेंडेंट्स भी माने तो 130 डिडक्शन होगा ना, 130 होगा.
सर द कंडीशंस which are there in a particular case, पर उतना ही इसमें बोला.
This appeal is filed by the insurance company being aggrieved of award dated 22/6/2022 passed by learned first additional motor accident claims tribunal Sydney in MACC number 336/2017 on a singular ground that disease is survived by 3 sons. Eldest son is working as a forest guard.
My lords.
2 other sons are engaged in agricultural operations, and therefore taking that condition, that aspect into consideration, and also the fact that pension of अभी 26,000 कितना?
सर ये है 24,700.
24,700 was payable to the deceased.
That was payable to the deceased.
Payable to the deceased, comma. Award is arbitrary in as much as claimants were not dependent on the deceased. Full stop. Next para. After hearing learned counsel for the parties and going through the office report, wherein it is mentioned that respondents number 1, 2, 3, and 5, as per the website, and respondent number 4 are treated to be served, comma, nobody is appearing for the respondents. Here, respondents here in next para. After going through the award and taking into consideration decision of Hon'ble Supreme Court in Madhya Pradesh High Court in dash Justice Khanwilkar साहब का judgment है, where it is held that even legal heirs can file.
वही है, बट उसमें उस पैराग्राफ 14 में से इतना आया सर, circumstances देखना जरूरी है इसमें. What I would only pray my lords,
judgment of Supreme Court in
specific question was
National Insurance Company Limited versus Birinder and others, where Supreme Court has held that the legal representatives of the deceased have a right to apply for compensation,
being the major sons.
Full stop. In para 14, it is held that it must necessarily follow that even the major married and earning sons of the deceased, being legal representatives, have a right to apply for compensation, and it would be bounden duty of the tribunal to consider the application irrespective of the fact whether the legal representative concerned was fully dependent on the deceased and not to limit the claim towards conventional heads only. Full stop. In that case also, next para, in that case, claimants were working as agricultural laborers on contract basis, and in that sense they were treated to be largely dependent on earning of their mother with whom they were staying, and thus award was passed. In the present case also, two of the brothers, namely Mithilesh and Anil Sanodia, are working as laborers, agriculture laborers.
खुद की जमीन पे सर.
They are tilling their land.
Yeah, own land.
Full stop. Size of land holding is not available on record.
2-3 एकड़ का
है?
क्रॉस में आया, मैं पढ़ देता हूँ.
हाँ, कितना है?
मेरे पिता शासकीय नौकरी में थे, पेंशनर थे. मेरे पिता की 25,300 प्रतिमाह पेंशन मिलती है. मेरे बड़े भाई दुर्गेश सनोडिया फॉरेस्ट में फॉरेस्ट गार्ड की शासकीय नौकरी में. मेरी खेती किसानी का कार्य करता हूँ. मेरी खेती करीब 2-3 एकड़ है. मेरा छोटा भाई अनिल भी खेती करता है. ये कहना गलत है कि स्वयं का कार्य करता है.
The holding was to the extent of 2-3 acres, which is not sufficient to sustain family of two brothers. Therefore, they can be presumed to be dependent on their father, late Shri Pratap Sanodia.
हाँ जी.
Death किसकी हुई? प्रताप सनोडिया की हुई है ना?
जी.
प्रताप सनोडिया. And thus, in the light of the judgment of Honorable Supreme Court, there is no error apparent on face of record in the award to call for interference. Appeal failed and is dismissed. चलिए.